In this video we're making a pipe cleaner dog inspired by something I saw on the Instagram. For reference I will be using a ruler and the same marker. You see, I'm starting with a spiral. These are the ears, one and now the second one, and I'm using a pen because I want the ears identical. Now we open the ears and this piece of pipe cleaner goes in front of the face, sort of around the face. And this is where you add another pipe cleaner, and I connected them by twisting them. You see, I lifted one of the loops and now I am making 3 rounds with a pipe cleaner around the face. I twisted at the neck and now we have 2 ears. Squeeze and bend and the second ear. Now use a toothpick or some sharp object to finish the nose, and these are the beads that I selected for the nose and the eyes. Let's make the legs using the ruler. Here you can see me twisting exactly 7 times. Now the second leg, front leg actually. Now the body, I'm twisting here and adding an extra pipe cleaner, and all the legs are the same size, at least that's what I decided to make. So 7 times you twist it. Now we can finish the tail, also a twist, and now the rest of the pipe cleaner just goes around the body. So when you will be finished with this one, if you want extra volume, you can add another pipe cleaner. And it comes very neat, even if you look from the back. If you look at the back of the dog, it will look very nice. So I made a few rounds, and now you can fix the dog around the pen. Actually, the grip is very good, and the doggy needs a collar, and we are done. They are absolutely cute. There is a learning curve to this craft. This craft comes from Instagram, and I will give credit in the description area. So enjoy!